How to see Spotify Wrap 2024. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video tutorial. So let's get started. As you see, Spotify Wrap 2024 has just come out and I already have mine on the top. I can click on Wrap. It is now in a new section instead of just being in the home page. As you can see in the left top corner, you can see your wrap. As you can see here is my wrap 2024. So that's where you want to click in order to see and view your wrap. But a lot of people might not be able to see this. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of ways for you in order for you to see yours. So let's get started. First of all, the most important thing is you check your Play Store or Apple Store and check if your Spotify is out of date. So you can see mine is up to date. So, and after you updated it and it's still not showing, so I recommend you restart your phone, because it also happened to me yesterday. Before I get to see mine, I have to restart the phone for it to work. And the other way you should do is, if you still did all those methods and it not work, you click on more, then come here. This for Android phone, so you click on clear data and clear all data. Wait a little while, then reopen the app. It will just be like reinstallation, and I believe it will show up. And why for iOS is you offload the app, then you wait a couple of minutes and open it again, it will work. So that's it for the Spotify app. I believe if you do each and every method I share, one among these will work. Thank you.